Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for July 1st, 2020. Hey, we made it through another month. Let's check out, see what's going to happen for the rest of July. Hopefully it's a lot better. Hey, we got baseball to look forward to, so that's a good thing, right? We also have the 4th of July weekend on the way. Today, not too bad, but we're going to be dealing with some showers and thunderstorms once again. Starting off the morning, okay. Some fog is starting to lift throughout the region. A few isolated showers are lingering around. Central New Jersey starting to pop up here and there. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, even a few upper 70s down towards Atlantic City. Overall, scattered broken cloud cover and winds are light from the north veering to the southeast today around 5 miles per hour. When you take a look at our surface map, basically our upper level low is right here, and what's happening is that these little short waves, which are reflected as low pressure systems down at the surface, are rotating around that upper level low. So you get these surface lows around the Delmarva Peninsula, around southeastern New England, and off towards the Canadian Maritimes, and they're all rotating around. We can see that very clearly here on our satellite picture. You see our upper level low, and you see some of that lifting with some colder cloud tops here and there. But overall, the theme here with this upper level low is that it's going to destabilize the atmosphere. And what that means is that showers and thunderstorms start to become widespread this afternoon and evening as the cold air in the middle part of the atmosphere is helping to destabilize the atmosphere as the lower portion of the atmosphere at the surface, where you and I are, starts to warm up. So it starts to warm up, that warm air rises into that cold air, and boom, you get thunderstorms. So that's essentially what we're going to be seeing here as this upper level low spins about and then slowly exits by tomorrow. As we can see closer in, as the sun is rising, some lower clouds here are going to burn off. We have a lot of mid-level clouds where all these little short waves rotating around, and under those mid-level clouds, showers are starting to develop, and they will continue to organize. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Watch out for scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Some of those thunderstorms are going to be capable of some very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, possibly even some small hail. We'll have to watch out for the wind gusts. Expected to be around 40 miles per hour, but there is that potential for an isolated severe thunderstorm developing, which would signify wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. So we'll keep an eye on that. Temperatures today will rise into the upper 70s to lower 80s. Not too bad at all today. So you can, if you can, turn off your air conditioning, open up your window, bring in some of that cooler air. You're going to need it because Friday is going to be a lot hotter. But first, let's get through tonight. Tonight on through tomorrow morning, watch out for some fog. Not too bad, okay? But there is going to be some areas of locally dense fog here and there, and an isolated shower possible. Temperatures will fall off into the mid to upper 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, watch out for an isolated shower, but overall, just some scattered cloud covers expected. Temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s on Long Island, mid to upper 80s everywhere else. Now on Friday, this is where things get a little toasty. We're going to have a backdoor cold front approaching, but ahead of that back cold front, we're going to have a hot and humid air mass invade the region from the Great Lakes. And as this air mass invades, it's going to downslope off the Appalachian Mountains, which is really bad news for the Delaware River Valley, especially around the Philadelphia metro, because that's going to allow temperatures to really heat up into the mid-90s to possibly even touching 100 degrees. Now, there's going to be a lot of cloud cover around, so we're going to have to watch to see if that impacts the high temperatures. But I can say that if you're in the Delaware River Valley, if you're in eastern Pennsylvania, western New Jersey, do be prepared for a heat advisory possibly being issued by the National Air Service and a heat index pushing over 100 degrees. As you head towards the coast, it's a little bit cooler, looking at temperatures ranging from the mid-80s to lower 90s. So the hot spot is basically the Philadelphia metro. So we're definitely going to watch out for that. As that cold front drops through the region Friday night into Saturday morning, we're going to watch out for showers and thunderstorms, and some of them could be severe. So we'll watch out very carefully. On the 4th of July, a backdoor cold front moves right through, and that's going to lead to scattered cloud cover. Might have to dodge an isolated shower or two, but for the most part, it looks pretty dry and much cooler. Temperatures on Saturday range from the mid 60s to lower 70s for lows. High temperatures will range from the mid 70s to lower 80s on the coast, mid 80s over the Philadelphia metro and basically the interior. There is that chance of hitting 90 degrees down towards southern New Jersey. We'll watch that very carefully. On Sunday, same scenario, backdoor cold front, marine air mass in control, sky cloud cover expected. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast, mid 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. On Monday, a warm front lifts through with a few widely scattered showers. Temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. On Tuesday, another backdoor cold front drops on through with the threat for scattered showers. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s in the New York City metropolitan area, mid 80s to lower 90s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. And as you can see, that pretty much is determined by whether or not this backdoor cold front drops as far south as this is indicating, or if it even gets even further south, which would mean that Philadelphia would also end up in the mid 80s rather than anywhere near 90 degrees. On Wednesday, that cold front pushes further south with scattered cloud cover. Still can't rule out an isolated shower, but for the most part, it is pretty nice. Temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and upper 70s to mid 80s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino. If you enjoyed these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay safe out there.